Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock NBA 2K24 SGA Fashion Tips quest in a very simple way. So first is we're going to talk about on how to unlock it. So to unlock the NBA 2K24 SGA Fashion Tips quest, players can try a few different methods. For some, the quest naturally appeared as they played games in my career. The quest could be connected to funds, so do not expect to unlock it until you approach the playoffs or play around 20 games. Other players did not get the SGA Fashion Tips quest until they defeated all 8 bosses at Sunset Park. In fact, some fans even had to defeat so if
the
none
eight
of these
bosses at
methods
the
work,
point as
try to
well to
then get the
complete the
quest,
weekly
weekly street ball challenge to unlock the SGA Fashion Tips quest. Next is to complete the NBA 2K24 SGA Fashion Tips quest. So to complete the NBA 2K24 SGA Fashion Tips quest, you must talk to SGA in the city. And like some of the other side quests in NBA 2K24, you will not have to prove yourself on the court afterward. Simply talk to SGA and earn your free rewards. So right after that, you are now going to collect the rewards. So the rewards that you are getting are the following. The first one is the blue flannel shirt and the light blue paisley jeans. Then you should unlock the TD app magazine cover side quest. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.